What's the problem?
Mommy.
Why are you crying? You have two different things, a French fries and a hamburger.
When I didn't have chicken nuggets and I only had a hamburger. I wanted a hamburger and chicken nuggets and French fries.
Daniela, you cannot eat both. You either eat a hamburger or you eat chicken nuggets. You can't eat both.
But Mama, last time she had chicken nuggets and I did it.
You told me you wanted a hamburger.
I wanted chicken nuggets, a hamburger, and
You cannot eat that much. Are you serious right now?
Mommy, I like eating.
Okay, look, listen to me. If you finish your hamburger and your French fries, then I'll get you some fruit when you're done. How's that?
Mommy, I want chicken nuggets.
Are you serious right now, Daniela? Do you want to go to your room? I think you're having a meltdown. She's having a meltdown, Juju. Sit up straight and eat your food.